Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Morisson from the new movie Lightyear. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share this with a friend. All of that is really, really appreciated, and it really helps out the channel. All right, so let's get started with our drawing. I'm going to start drawing Mo by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start a little bit up the page, about right here. And let's see, I'm going to do a shape like this. And I'm going to make this side of it a little bit thicker than the bottom side. And I'm going to put a circle inside that shape. And a little circle up top and a circle in the very middle, kind of behind that one we just did. I'm going to color that one in all black. On top of that, we can give it a little bit of space and then do an eyebrow. And Mo has pretty thick eyebrows. So I'm going to do an eyebrow about that thick. And I'm going to color that one in all dark as well, but I'll probably go over it a little bit later with a marker when I'm coloring in everything else. All right, so next I'm going to kind of do a little line going downward a little bit. Helps to give a bit of shape for the nose. And then here we can start with a nostril. And coming on downward a little bit. And then coming on up a little bit, and then the other side of the nose there. And we can make this part in here a little bit dark. And right here too, just a little bit for the nostrils. And right here, we can start with the other eye. So we can do similar shape to the first eye. But these these two eyes don't have to be a perfect match. It's okay. We're just practicing and having fun drawing, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to do a circle inside that shape. And you can see I'm going back to the first eye I did earlier. I'm kind of picking at that one as I'm making the second eye, just trying to make them match up a little bit better. But as I already said, they don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be a perfect match. All right, now let's do an eyebrow. And this is a thick eyebrow as well as the other one was. Okay. Now let's see, I'm going to start with a bit of face shape here. So I'm going to come on up and over here, we can come on downward a little bit. This is where a bit of hair is going to be. And we can come on down, a little space here for a cheek. Over here, draw downward a bit. And then a little bit of cheek here. And then slant downward. And he's got a bit of a long jaw, bit of a long, strong jaw. So we'll get to that now in a moment. But let's do a little bit of facial hair first. So under the nose here, it's got some facial hair. And I'm going to do a little line right here. And then come on down. And come on up. I know this is looking kind of silly right now, but it'll all come together when it's done. Coming downward. And I'm just going to do little like wisps of hair. And downward too. If yours is looking a little bit silly like mine, that's totally okay. This is the silly looking stage. and give him a little smile. And a little bit of a bottom lip. Little line right here. And then we can come on down a little bit further. Like I said, he's got a bit of a long, strong jaw. And then curve that chin. Come on upward. Up, up, up. And I'm going to do a few more little flicks of hair. Just like different strokes of hair. And we can see that it's starting to look a lot less silly. It's coming together now. Okay, so now we can do an ear up here. And our little silly little lines on the inside of our ear. And over here, we're going to see a little bit of ear too, but not very much because of the way his head is turned. And up top here, we can do the hairline, but it's not going to be perfectly straight. And now let's do some flicks of hair. And a little bit here on the side. And coming on downward here by the ear. All right, so next let's do a line coming downward for a bit of neck, and same right here. And then we can do a curve line right here for the start of what he's wearing under the suit. So we're going to do the suit now here in a second. So we can start with a curve. And then come on down a bit. And over here, same thing, curve, and it's coming on down a little. And here inside the suit, we can kind of shade that in a little bit, because this is some dark bits of dark that where the light isn't really hitting. All right, so we can do another curve, follow along that one we made earlier, same on this side, and draw a little line here, come on downward, little line here, little line there, and put a line there and there, and I'm going to draw it down, and a line going downward on this side, curving this way, and this one's curving this way. And next, let's do a bit of shoulder. Great big shoulder piece here. Like that. And I'm going to do a line coming down this way and over this way. And right here, we can start on the chest and come on downward. And here, I'm coming slanting downward here. And right here, I'm going to go across, kind of come up a little there. And I'm slanting downward, going across this way. Like that. And matching up right here to right here. I'm going to bring this line over here. And one on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to do like a pouch. Like a rectangular shaped pouch. So I'm going to put like a little button and coming on down, curving, coming on up, and coming on down here and right here, and put a little bit of space right here. And let's do another one. Only this one's going to be kind of on more of a side, so we don't see it face on like we do with this one. So I'm coming on down and do a little fastener there and drawing a line there. And we can continue this line down here. And next, I'm going to draw part of the arm. And then we can do a shape like that. And I'm going to do another little line here and down that way. And I'm going to bring a line down here and down here. And over on this side, let's do the other shoulder. So I'm going to start with a shape like this. So this is going to be like a kind of a dark spot here. I'm going to color that in with a marker later. But this is going to be like the inside of this part. I hope that made sense. So I'm going to make a rectangle spot right here. And then coming on down a bit more. And then go this way. And then we've got a line here for an arm. And coming out this way too. And we're going to thicken up that arm a little bit here. And draw across. And there you go. We are finished our sketch. And I'm going to start doing some coloring now. All right, everybody, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.